here it is. That's a quick unboxing. We're getting right to the point. I have everything that I need right now set up to get going as far as the reviewing process. And yeah, it's a very nice looking device. You can see the fingerprint reader works really nice and fast. We'll do that again. Boom, we're right in there. You got a lot of real estate here to utilize all the apps that Samsung gives you to use. I still have some more apps to get from the Play Store. Power button, doubling up as a fingerprint reader. You got your volume rocker there. Up top, you have your speaker grill all the way over to the far left. Then you got a mic, and mic. And the bottom, USB Type-C charging port, mic, and you have your speaker there, bottom left-hand side of the Z Flip 5. You do have a crease that is very minimal. You know, that specific area, from what I can see on this device and what I've seen on the Z Fold 4 over at Best Buy and what I have here on my Google Pixel Fold, when you are immersed into what you're doing, that specific area just disappears. It just goes away. The crease is a little bit more visible here on the Google Pixel Fold, but again, watching movies and videos just goes away. And I'm sure that's the same experience I'm going to get with my Z Fold 5. Got the SIM tray right here. You got your 5G antenna area there. You got the matte black aluminum rails. And on the back here, it's got this matte texture. This is the gray. You got the camera bump here with the 3 cameras rising above that camera bump. Yeah, that looks really, really nice. The gray, the black camera hardware there, yeah, that's what I wanted. And it definitely looks better than it did over as far as the picture over at the Samsung store. That looks really nice. So right out of the gate, you can see the width on my Google Pixel Fold in comparison to the Z Fold 5. No more gap. Yeah, that looks really nice. Now, if we put these right beside each other, you can see that the Pixel Fold is still a bit thinner. All corners are rounded, and I am digging that on both of these devices. Both devices feel solid. The Fold on the Z Fold 5, wow, the flex. That feels good. Feels really nice. It's just a very bold, solid device. Like the Google Pixel Fold, I'm going to utilize the inner display. I know a lot of you keep saying that you're utilizing this cover display here on the Google Pixel Fold a lot more than you are the inner display, but I'm the opposite. I'm going straight for that inner display. I gotta say though, this right here, amazing. And I'm sure that even though this is taller and a little slimmer, the display itself is probably going to be vivid, sharp, visually just stunning. But I'm most likely going to be jumping into here just like I am with my Google Pixel Fold. And so we're in there. Let's see. Okay, here we go. As you can see that. I'm not going to go over any specs, man. I may edit those in. do a really quick speaker comparison. All right, you can let me know down below which device did it better. They both sound great. Both sound great. They both look great. I'm still going to say that I like the wider, shorter form factor, but this really feels good, and I am excited to use it. I definitely love the color that I chose, the gray, which is a matte texture, the matte black surrounding the cameras, the height of the cameras, the matte aluminum black rails there. It's just a really good looking device. Definitely excited to start the reviewing process, hearing back from all of you as far as what you would like to see. But yeah, man, it's all about the Z Fold 5. Wow, 5th generation. Crazy, just crazy. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Appreciate you very much. I have to scoot the Pixel Fold over because this is the newest kid on the block right here, right? Gotta give it its due respect.